Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Monday, June 13th. Hope everybody had a great weekend. We were off Friday. Fridays in the summer are notoriously slow, so I'm not going to miss much. We had three trades, one swing, really one scalp that we used as a correlation. The scalp was in Swiss franc, Japanese yen. We correlated it with US dollar, Japanese yen. We'll go over them in a second. The Aussie Swiss franc was a swing trade, which we had for several days, and we also put a position on towards the end of last week of Aussie yen to New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, which is a correlation trade, which we're still in. No real economic news to speak about, so let's get to the trades. The first was the Aussie Swiss franc swing trade. This buying pressure that you see here, just didn't keep up. Our algorithm was showing somewhere around 90% odds that this thing was going to run higher, and you can see it absolutely did not. It started to break down. We were in it for several days and got taken out late Friday, 0.71290. We were long from 0.71935, so we lost 64.5 pips, but we only had 10% of our normal size. So we lost 6.5 pips. So not too much, not a big deal there. Between all three trades, we were only up 2.2 pips. So then we had a scalp in Swiss franc, Japanese yen, which developed so quickly once it took out these highs. We were long 109.917. Sold just right around the figure. We don't like figures. 110.036, picking up 11.9 pips. But you can see what it did. It ripped through the figure and ran all the way to one. Let's call it 110.40. So obviously we were dead wrong there. But we picked up 11.9 pips. That was a full-size scalp, which we had it correlated with US dollar, Japanese yen, half of the size that we had in Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Just to alleviate some of the directional risks that you could take in a scalp. This we were short from 106.144, and we covered 106.208. Lost 6.4 pips, or size adjusted 3.2 pips. And you can see there it didn't run quite as much as the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So again, on a size adjusted basis, that was only 3.2 pips. So between all three trades, the Swiss franc, where we pulled out 11.9, the US dollar, Japanese yen, which was correlated, which we lost 3.2 on a size adjusted basis, and the Aussie Swiss franc, which we lost 6.5 on a size adjusted basis, came to a total of an increase of 2.2 pips. So not much to write home about. Like I said, no economic news to talk about, so pretty slow. All eyes and ears are on this Wednesday, the Fed interest rate decision. We will see. Latest odds by the futures market is about 2% chance after that horrible non-farm payroll number and employment number 2 Fridays ago. So we will see what they say, what they decide to do. I can't imagine they're going to raise rates, but if they were to raise rates in the face of that horrible news, then it's what we've been saying all along, that they want to normalize rates, but they're not telling the people that. If they do not raise rates, then they're obviously more data dependent than we think they should be. Anyway, so that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out to be coming your way, have a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action tonight, tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.